let me thank War India for giving me this opportunity to come here today and probably be a speaker. A month back, I was actually outside India. Somebody called me from my office that War India wants me to have, come here and be a guest speaker. For a moment I thought this may be a good opportunity to meet you all people here. Because I'm in this IT industry more than 4 decades. The war is only 10 years old. Just to give what is war, I would like to give the history. In 60s and 70s, there used to be mainframe computers. So I'm from those days. There was no reseller, there was no dealer, there was no war, nothing. And then, I think around 1980s came PCs. And those days, even PCs, people used to apply for license to Delhi. Even I had also taken one license. Apply for license just to import floppy drive, hard disk and all that. Then, just assemble this and sell. This you cannot call as manufacturing. This is nothing but value add reselling. So the value add reselling VAR was there even those days when PCs just started coming. And then because of the duty difference, people started manufacturing motherboards or everything. No doubt I too did that. So what is happening is, I think even those days there was no manufacturing. We used to call manufacturing and all that. It's only value add. Then around 90s, there appeared network computer to computer. And then these wars have entered into these ones. Like manufacturing PCs, some people have taken steps in making their brand PCs. Some have entered into the networking products, making networking products. Like this, it is, in my view, that is nothing but only value add results. There was nothing great like manufacturing in this country. So I thought, let me talk about the future, about the war. Future business growth. According to Gartner, the IT end user spending growth is at compound annual growth rate of 40.8%. That will be $110 billion by 2013. A huge opportunity. The small and medium-sized business market have become IT industry's fastest growing segment. The SOHO and SMB units are expected to be approximately today 35 million in India, making it the second largest market amongst BRIC. That is Brazil, Asia, India, Brazil, Russia, India, and China. The SMB contribution to GDP has been growing at a steady rate of CAGR 12% over the last 7 years. The Indian business community will continue to invest big way in IT in the future. The type of channel. We have dealers, resellers, who sell many brands. I call them sometimes box movers. Then what? Value-added resellers. They play important role in usage and applications. Then the system integrators. Small, medium, large. Small maybe to a limited extent, and medium maybe state level, and large is all India level. We have to, why we need this channel? India is a large country with different languages, culture, and need these kind of channels to reach end users. We need knowledgeable professionals, maybe in networking, maybe in integration, in configuration, or surveillance, security, support, etc. So that we need work. What are the challenges of IT channel partners? Lack of expertise and resources successfully to implement today's complex technologies. Today's hardware cost is like a commodity, and to stay profitable, the channel partners have to venture in service and solutions as a business model. WAR has to build relations with qualified vendors who do training and certification. WAR need to look at customers' need and take it as an opportunity where they can make decent margin. Where are the opportunities? As a customer's need or application increases or become more complex, the need of WAR becomes important. Many of the SMB owners in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities or rural areas are not aware of the existing IT solutions that may solve their problems. Most of the IT solutions are not customized as per the actual requirement. The channel partners need to work closely to design their requirement and work and become as a trusted partners. Most of the time, SMB units do not have or are not afford to have dedicated IT staff. Hence, it is a good opportunity for the channel partner to cater the IT need of SMBs. What is the future of WAR channel? Considering the economic growth and application of IT in day-to-day, right from home, say security, home application, or surveillance, and a growing requirement of SOHO medium industries, huge requirement of government in education, infrastructure, governance, WAR has to play an important role. So this is my little view on the WAR side. Thank you.